affect definition, affect in a sentence, affect pronunciation, affect meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of affect. Affect. A-ffect. Affect. Affect means to make a difference to, or to impact. Common usages in academic writing: affect one's health, affect one's behavior, negatively affected. Example sentences: a-ffect verb, the radiation treatment negatively affected his motor skills. Example sentence number 2, simply being observed can affect one's behavior. Please write a sentence using affect in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use affect confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper video.